First, download Sphero EDU. Up at the top right-hand corner, we're going to go ahead and connect to our very first Sphero. If you see this screen, we have Sphero bolts, not Sphero Bolt Plus. While standing at the Sphero Bolt charging pack, go ahead and select just the topmost option, and then wait for it to connect. Once it's connected, you're going to have some options to figure out which one is yours. For example, showing LED, or finding with physical motion. Maybe in the recording you could hear it spinning around. Once you have that set up, go ahead and take your Sphero and go to a different location. Let's create our first program. You're going to go ahead and keep everything as it is selected, so make sure you have blocks and Sphero Bolt connected. Go ahead, click Create. And then we have a lot of options. The OnStart program will signal the Sphero to begin doing what you tell it to do when you click Start. The important commands we need are the roll, direction at speed for time, and delay. The roll gives you an option to change what direction you want to send the Sphero. Let's do 0 degrees. The speed should be anywhere between 0 and 100. Once you go past 100, the acceleration takes a little too long. Let's go with 35. You could always type it in if you want. And then the time will be what you calculate. For this, let's just make it roll for 5 seconds. In between every roll command, make it stop for at least 1 second. If you wanted to do something different, such as roll back towards you at the same speed for 2 seconds, you can do that. Just remember, anytime there's a roll command, make sure that there is a delay for 1 second in between. If I then wanted to roll to the right at the same speed for 1 second, I can then write it like that. The last step is to connect everything to the start program and then test it out. Before I run any program, I need to make sure that my Sphero Bolt is aimed. If I click the aim button in the top right hand corner, I can now switch which direction the Sphero Bolt thinks forward is. I want to make sure that 0 degrees is pointing away from me right now. So I set up my Sphero Bolt like that. That aiming is very important. So now when I press start, the Sphero is going to roll forward 0 degrees at 35 for 5 seconds, roll backwards 180 degrees at 35 for 2 seconds, and then roll at 90 degrees, which is to the right at 35 speed for 1 second. Let's see it. And there you have it.